Need to identify invalid phone numbers from a large contact list? Invalid Number helps detect unavailable or invalid phone numbers in bulk, allowing businesses to clean their databases, reduce unnecessary outreach attempts, and improve the quality of customer contact lists before marketing campaigns or communication activities. Visit NumberCheck.ai and explore the available phone number verification and mobile data detection solutions. Click Get Started to create a new account or sign in to your existing NumberCheck account. Before starting an invalid number detection task, make sure your account has enough credits available. If additional credits are required, please refer to the top-up tutorial. Go back to the product list. Under the mobile phone category, find Invalid Number and click Buy Now to start the detection process. Select the country or region that matches the phone numbers you want to check. Choosing the correct country helps the system process phone numbers with the correct country code and number format. Upload a TXT or CSV file containing the phone numbers you want to check. For better processing accuracy, make sure each phone number is placed on a separate line and follows a consistent format. Click Start Detection to begin checking the uploaded phone number list. The system will analyze the numbers and return invalid number detection results when available. Once the detection task is completed, open the results page to view the task status and detection summary. Review the detection results and identify invalid or unavailable phone numbers from your uploaded list. The result details may vary depending on the available detection data. Click Download to save the complete invalid number detection results. The downloaded file can be used for database cleaning, contact list filtering, and further analysis. The exported file contains available invalid number detection results for the uploaded phone numbers when detection data is available. These results can help businesses remove invalid contacts, improve database quality, reduce unnecessary outreach attempts, and prepare cleaner contact lists before marketing campaigns or communication activities. Invalid number detection provides a faster way to maintain cleaner and more reliable phone number lists before customer engagement. A detection result does not guarantee that a user will answer a call, receive a message, respond to outreach, or agree to receive marketing communications. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more NumberCheck tutorials and phone number verification guides. Visit NumberCheck.ai to start checking invalid number results today.